Welcome to this bonus lesson for Invoking Sacred Creative Space. This little lesson is going to be so helpful for you in creating a ritual that you can engage in prior to starting your creative practice or process that's going to set the tone and really put you on the right foot in terms of what you will feel like you can open up to during your creative practice and enhance the output that you eventually produce. So this is really going to enhance your work and the quality of the work that you produce through the invocation of that secret creative space. And we'll get into all the details on how you do this very shortly. So don't worry. I'll show you how in 5 easy steps. I'll show you why you want to do this, so the benefits you'll receive from it. And then at the end, you'll have the opportunity to actually print the PDF document for the Awakened Creators Invocation. So this is an invocation that I've designed and that I use prior to engaging in my creative practice that I find has really allowed me to produce much better and in a less stressful way. I'm more relaxed after I read my invocation and sort of invoke that space in my creative studios. So you can also use the digital PDF if you want to just have it on your computer screen. Say if you're typing, working on a writing project or something, you could just pull up the digital PDF, read it before you begin, and then get into your writing processor and start working on your project. So it's a really cool, really simple shift that I think you're going to see instant results with. So I want to share that with you today. So let's go ahead and get started.